Hi folks, today is March the 25th. It's currently 8:09 in the morning. I just checked Forex Factory and we have some news coming out at 8:30 and also news coming out at 10:30. So I'll try not to be trading around those times. But for right now, we just made this higher high, so I'm looking for a long setup. And we'll just be patient here and wait for the first opportunity. So I'll be back with you guys when that happens. Alright guys, we got a higher high here. And as I stated before, today's mainly going to be about taking trades.
Order pending.
There's nothing above us to stop us. So that's what we're going to do today. Just start taking some trades here that qualify. So if we could enter at 58, stop will be at, let me see where's 48. 48 is right there. 43 would be if I choose to use 15 ticks as a stop. Let me see here. Okay, so it's possible that I'll use 15 ticks here. We'll just wait and see what the market looks like after we get entered into the trade. Alright, let me pause it and I'll come back if we get filled. Alright guys, market didn't come down enough to get us filled. As you can see, reversal already happened here. So we'll go ahead and cancel this one.
Order canceled.
Alright, be back with you guys on the next opportunity. Alright guys, I had a pending order right here at 77. Didn't have it in the middle, had it on the edge. As you can see, the market came down to 80, so we're about 3 ticks away from being entered into the trade. Fortunately, just wasn't enough to get us in. 77 up to 87 would have been our first profit target, which is right there. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys on our next opportunity. Guys, we came within 1 tick.
Order filled.
And there it is. Alright, let me, what price did we get filled at? 77. So let's push this up to 87. And this will go up to 97. Okay. And we'll leave one runner on. Again, today we're just going to be taking every trade. We're going to get some losers most likely, and hopefully we'll get some winners too, but we're just going to take everything that pops up for us here. We did have that news at 8:30. I'm not sure if it really did much here. Looks like this bar was a result of that news at 8:30. Yep, this one right before it was 8:29.34, and the next bar was 8:30.28. So this was a result of that news at 8:30. 47.73 up to 47.86. If this one doesn't work out, our next opportunity is going to be right here to take a buy trade. Tell you what, let me go ahead and pause it. Market's moving kind of slow here, and I'll come back once one of our orders gets hit. Guys, I forgot to mention, the reason I wouldn't have typically taken this trade is because on the 2-minute chart, our high volume node is right here at 47.55, which means we're basically buying right into the high volume node. So that's the reason I wouldn't have typically taken this trade. But this isn't going to be a typical trading day here. Alright, be back shortly. Alright guys, we're one tick from hitting our first profit target. Well, we were one tick away from hitting our profit target. I figured it would push up. But I'll go ahead and pause it, and I'll just wait to come back after the market actually goes through one of our orders. Alright, be back shortly. Alright guys, I'm going to cut my risk in half here. Market tried to go up, but it wasn't able to, so we're only going to risk 5 ticks here. And it's possible we'll just get stopped out right here.
Stop filled.
And there it is. The market was going to go up. I would have liked to see it go ahead and just push through that extra tick there. But wasn't able to. So we'll just wait until the next trade pops up, and I'll be back with you guys then. Alright folks, as you can see, the market did come back up a little bit. Not enough to hit our profit target, because we entered here at 77. So our profit target was up here at 87, and then the market reversed. 67 would have been our stop, so we were able to save about 5 ticks there. And the reason I went ahead and moved my stop up is because we made this higher high here, then we made a lower high, then we made a lower high. So we were consistently making lower highs, so I decided to go ahead and for that reason move my stop up, because we weren't pushing up high enough here. Alright, at this point we're making lower lows, so we'll wait for some low volume node sell prints, and we'll just go from there. Be back shortly. Alright guys, we have a lower low right here. Let me see where exactly high volume node is on the 2-minute chart. Alright, so it's down here at 47.71.
Order filled.
Alright, so that's right above this low volume node here. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys shortly.
Filled.
Guys, the market just shot straight up to my stop here. Wasn't even an opportunity to adjust anything. So that was rough. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, we're one tick away from getting filled here. You can see we're making higher highs, have this low volume node right here.
Order filled.
As you guys can see here, we do have a selling low volume node right there, and that could present a little bit of an issue for us.
Target filled.
We have yesterday's price open right here, so we'll put our take profit just below that. And also, I don't want the market to have to make a higher high, so we'll leave that right where it is. And like I said, today is crude oil inventories day, and that tends to be a bit of a funny day in the CL market. It's part of the reason I wanted to just play around with the software today. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it. It's possible we'll just go ahead and get stopped out right here. So I'll be back with you guys momentarily. Actually, we're getting pretty close here now. Alright, I'll be back. Let's take a look at this 2-minute chart. Our high volume node is at 48.17. So it's possible we're going to get some resistance at that level.
Filled.
Alright, target just got hit. Now I'm going to go ahead and move it to break even +1 here. And we'll just let this one run. Market still hasn't gotten up past that 48.17 mark. I'd like to see it close over that. Hopefully this little tiny buying low volume node will give us some support and help it to bounce up. But if not, we'll be taken out right here. One tick away.
Stop filled.
Alright, there was a stop. So as you guys saw, the market came right up to the high volume node and then reversed from that point. That's why I decided to move my second take profit to just below it. Alright, I'll pause it and be back on the next trade. Alright guys, as you can see here, it's currently 10:14. And the market has just really been going sideways here. I'm guessing waiting for the news at 10:30. So we're going to go ahead and call it here. Tomorrow I'll do the same thing and just start taking trades here. And we'll see what happens. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.